In the fitness world, cross training is the name of the game. Outside of running, one of the best cardio endurance workouts you can get is jumping rope. I have this weighted 1.5 pound Elite Jumps Muay Thai rope, but it's just a little bit long for my liking. Let's go ahead and get it cut down. The first thing you need to do is push the rope out of the end cap. The rope feeds into this bearing end cap, which is held in place by 3 screws. You'll need a very small gauge screwdriver to remove those screws. Undo the 3 screws and slide off the end cap. And you can see here that those screws really do dig in and grip the rope. I'm using these snips because they're sitting on my table here, but regular scissors will work just as well. Start slow, remeasure, and adjust as needed. You can always take off more, but you can't put any back on. I took off just over an inch. Slip the cap back into place, screw the screws back in nice and tight, pull the rope back into the handle, and you're done watching this video. If this helped you out, hit the like, consider subscribing, leave me a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.